Hey, Dr.
Hey, Ashley.
What is your favorite sports movie?
My favorite
Sports movie.
sports movie? Oh, God, I mean, it's gonna date me or whatever. Like, The Natural was really good. Some people like Bagger Vance or whatever. The Field of Dreams. Oh my God, I cried at that movie. I had a father wound deficit back then. So, like, these are super dated movies, but they were absolutely fabulous, right? Are there ones you're thinking of, Ashley, that you can remind me of?
Me, I like the Longest Yard. I liked Invincible. I like The Blind Side. So this is dating me too, because all my movies are about 20-year references.
The only problem with The Blind Side is supposedly Michael Moore, so like, just not that honest.
Yeah, but I like the movie. Yeah, the movie
No, the
before
movie
we
was
knew.
good. Yeah,
The
The Longest Yard was hilarious. I mean, Burt Reynolds in his prime.
Oh my God, the remake was funny too.
Yeah, I didn't see the remake because Burt Reynolds was so good.
Oh,
in The Longest
Ali?
Yard.
Ali's another good one, but that's about Ali.
Yeah.
Then I guess we're talking Rocky.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the original Rocky was incredible. Like the original, they start to get, some of the sequels aren't as good, but the original Rocky was insane, right? I've seen that many, many times or whatever. So some of these movies are just fabulous, right? What was the other one you just? Invincible was super amazing, whatever.
Yeah.
There was remember Chariots of Fire? It's sort of like
I haven't seen
long distance running movie or whatever. So good.
And then
You'd love that. That was more, Chariots of Fire.
And then the golfing one. What's that?
The Legend of Bagger Vance or whatever.
No.
I
want to say I think
Francis We May or whatever. Like that one.
Was Bobby Fischer a golfer or a chess player?
You mean tennis or chess?
Chess. I think it's okay. So there was another one. It was with Shia LaBeouf. I forgot what it was called.
Yeah, Francis We May or whatever.
Maybe that's it.
What was that one? Was that wasn't Bagger? That was when he won the U.S. Open.
Yeah, I can't.
Yeah, that was an incredible movie when he won the U.S. Open. I'm probably blanking on something that's just freaking amazing.
Obvious. And we're gonna get a comment that's like, "I can't believe you guys didn't say this," and we'll be like, "Thanks, man."
Like
the greatest game ever played.
Yeah, that was amazing.
That's what I'm talking
That's an
about.
amazing
Very good movie.
Yeah, absolutely.
Awesome.